do another update on my garden. Here is the middle section. I'll do another video of the side and the back. There's actually two back parts, but yeah, here's the middle section. I've kind of got this trellising system going around this square that goes from here all the way to where the tangerine tree is, and then comes down here, comes down all the way back to where I am right now, and that's full of grapes right now. You know, just a couple weeks ago it was full of bushels and you know, just a bunch of grapes. I harvested maybe like probably like 50 pounds, but you know, I couldn't eat it all, so my dogs ate a bunch of it. I know you're telling me dogs don't eat grapes, they'll die, but these guys literally ate the whole, you know, they ate like a whole vine of grapes. So I'm pretty sure they're past that point. If they were gonna die, they would have died. But you know, from the outside here you can see I got a tangerine tree there, got some potted succulents, little bench that I've built here, some more potted succulents. You know, I've kind of got them in pots around benches, so when my mom sits down she can enjoy some plants and stuff. But then we've got another little tree here that this guy actually broke. But as you can tell here, he broke it at the bottom there, but it came back. It's doing well. Not sure what it is. Kind of looks like a it's some type of tree. Just not sure what it could be. It popped up from a bird seed, but you know, we get a lot of birds that come in trying to eat all the seed. And hey, don't eat the guava. Don't jack me for guavas. But yeah, a lot of birds love the seed. Right here, we've got a red Malaysian guava. Really nice guavas. Let me see if I can find one on there. Don't see one. Oh, right here. Little guy. This is what they look like. These are super juicy and sweet. Then I've got a fountain over here, surrounded by a cacti that's edible, and aloe vera that's also edible, and great for cuts. You know, the liquid in aloe vera, you put it on cuts, it's a antiseptic, and it's also I'm not sure if it's antibacterial, but you know, you can Google it, but it's really good for cuts and stuff. But then right here I've got a yellow lemon tree. Over there, like I said, I've got the tangerine tree. That was the other area I was showing you from front. Got a little bench for my mom so she can lay down at night and stuff. Here we've got, I think it's if I'm not mistaken, nectarine tree. It's some type of fruit tree between nectarine or apricot. I just don't remember. But yeah, anyways, here's mango tree. It's, you know, got some dead branches from this heat wave we've had in LA recently, but it should make it. You know, all these trees are from the tropics, so heat's no stranger to them. But as you can see here on the inside too, we've got this trellising system all the way for those grapes. It goes all the way around. You got a little table that a client gave me. It was like white, all broken down, and I spray painted it. It's looking pretty nice. We'll see how that does. But yeah, she's thrown it away. I liked it. Here I've got a little herb and chili garden. Got some rye, jalapenos, cobra peppers in there, some mint, and I've got this cool little dragon head I'm gonna make a fountain out of later on. I think it would look cool in a wall fountain, but this guy on the wall kind of spout throwing the water into a little pond and then recirculating. I think it looked nice. But here we took out the lawn, so it's weed block fabric with gravel, and all the trees are on a drip system here, as you can see, and also on a bubbler system, depending on which you know, the maturity of them, as I showed you in the trees in the front. Here I've you know, I cut down a palm tree I think a couple weeks back, and the trunks I'm using them as just stands.
pretty nice, you know, little trunk. But
yeah, you know, this little section also has some storage back here. I've got you know, my lawn mowing machine that I use for you know, those grass types that are like what do you call it, like golf course type. Forget the name of it actually, but oh, Bermuda, for Bermuda grass. But you know, that stuff, you gotta cut it real low. It's almost like you're scalping it, but that's the machine for that. Here I got some jade and an avocado, sunburn a little bit, but I've got a couple of these young plants here because this guy's always biting them. Gotta stop biting my plants kind of though. But yeah, you know, here's the basics of this middle yard. Check out the guava tree, it's huge. But you know, it's the second part to my food forest here in Altadena. If it doesn't produce something for me, I don't want to spend time growing it really. Oh yeah, I can show you guys this irrigation over here. Got all these valves for the backyard here. As I was mentioning in the front, anytime these are breaking, the tops or the solenoid or the bottom of the valve, I'm replacing them with brass ones because you know, those pretty much last forever unless the seals go to shit. But you know, you can even do stuff for that too. You can fix them. But yeah, anyways, I've got the valve for the back, for right here, for the middle yard, in between this yard and the back, and this one is, I also think, for this area right here where all these fruit trees are at, because I have different, I think I put in multiple valves so that I could turn them on at different times and for different amounts of time off the same clock, because some of the trees don't require the same watering. So you can see here, a bunch of lemons on this guy. Probably gonna get like 100 pounds of lemons off him this year. My dad likes to keep them low, but he'd be like way up here if it wasn't for now. Huh, check out that downed line. Pretty sure the arborist from the other side fucked I mean, we don't have a phone anymore, but I'm pretty sure he cut the phone line. Whatever, noobs. Have the freaking AT&T people come out and fix that. Other people's mistakes. But anyways, check out this cool little pot I've got here. This client gave me this pot, and I've got a bunch of edible cacti growing here too. Got my outlet here for the sounding. Turn it on. Let's see if I can turn it on for you guys. There we go. It's basic. Basic little fountain. A lot of the stuff I have here is just clients were trying to throw it away. We got it from them so they wouldn't. But that's it. Catch you guys later. Have a great day.